Hello everybody, so it is Saturday the 30th of November and today we are going to the high street to watch the Brentwood light switch on. They are lighting up the high street this afternoon / this evening, so I thought I'd go and do a bit of video footage of it, and I'm also going to be singing in my choir the Big Sing today as well, so I wanted to hopefully get a bit of video footage of that if I can. I'm going to give the camera to Howard and hopefully he's going to film it, but yes, I thought I'd do a little vlog today. So I'm currently doing Vlogmas and there are lots of videos going up at the moment. I think the previous one to this is a recipe and the one after will be a recipe as well. But I'm going to do another day in the life on Friday this week. So stay tuned for all of these videos, and yeah, I thought I'd take you with us. So we'll see you later. Bye!
Jump the 20 for us, young man. Come back, take your shoes, mister. Ready? Yeah, try to help up. Wait, you got to lose your shoes. Shall I give them to your parents?
Yeah, thank you. How did you know it was ours?
He's going to stand here. Well, he's got a trampoline at home, but he's not done one of them before. Have you? There you go, yes. What are you talking about? Been nice. I wouldn't go high up on the leaderboard at work, I tell you.
You haven't, I haven't seen you waiting all day.
Make sure you don't shoot danger.
That one?
Ready? Good, start jumping.
That one right there.
Whoa, look at that.
You pretended to be Superman, Ted. Hiya. Yeah, you?
I feel like I'm up in the air when I'm looking at it.
Feels like you're flying, doesn't it?
Taylor, what are you thinking?
That would be so cool.
My name.
Nice. See for 150 actually. Hello again. You're right.
VIP at school.
VIP, yeah. Look, grab two of those meat pies, please. They've got any sausage rolls there?
I think there's some down there.
Oh, you've got loads of rolls. So what would you like? Right, let's pay for that, and then he's dilly-dallying, isn't he? So, and holes.
Oh, Ted, look at that.
Oh, that's so hard.
Got him.
Mummy. Oh my god.
They've actually been practicing now for 8 years. Woo! On Tuesdays down at Hutton Free Church, I think the practice. Sounds about right. You'll probably find them online. I'm sure they're on all the social medias. big-sing.com. Right. Everyone's looking comfortable. Joyful, joyful are we. Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore you. For here the voices of night behind. All things we shall bring, for the slave is alive.
So we are back from the high street. Ted and Howard are currently in the other room watching a film. I can't remember what film it is they're watching. We had a brilliant time at the Big Sing. It was really good fun. I might do a bit more filming tonight because there's a few things I've got to leave downstairs with Ted because it's the 1st of December tomorrow and Ernie is coming. So as I said earlier, after this video is a Googie's Kitchen video, and then on Friday that will be another day in the life, and Ernie is back. So I'm going to film Ernie's return to the house. So yes, stay tuned because we're going to continue. So see you later. Bye. Everybody, so Ted is finally in bed and Ernie has arrived. Yay! Yes, so Ernie is back. So I'm going to do another vlog tomorrow, as I mentioned earlier, but I think I'm going to end this one here because I'm really tired. I'm going to go to bed now, and I'm going to upload this footage in the morning and then start again. So we will see you again tomorrow, but it will be Friday to you, if that makes sense. But anyway, yes, I'm going to go to bed now. So that's it from us. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please give us a big thumbs up if you did, and please leave any comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.